Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith here. Just wanted to give you an update this morning on the day trading so far this morning, December 4th, which is Friday. So I've got crude oil up here. You can see around 4 o'clock in the morning, we had a beautiful trigger short. I was not up yet. I'm a 5 a.m. waker-upper. But anyway, so what we look for in that case, right, you just kind of wait because we're in this downtrend here. You see how this is a higher low? So once we got this Laguerre trigger right here, we got our red dot. Right here, folks, was our entry at roughly, let's call it 46.24, okay? And then when do you get out? You get out in a red dot, which was right here, okay, at 45.97. So about 27 ticks, $270 a contract. Now, in saying that, if I would have traded this morning, I was not around at this time, in all disclosure. I actually would have got out right here when we got the yellow dot because we had my divergence indicator showing divergence. Okay, so we would have got a few more, but either way, it's another fantastic trade. Then you can re-enter here with the next, Laguerre or just the red dots in this point because we're in a nice massive downtrend. Okay, and so 3 good trades here so far this morning on crude. Let me bring up the E-mini. Actually, let me bring up the NASDAQ this time because I've been showing you the ES. Let me bring up the NQ as well here. Okay, so the NASDAQ had a nice short trigger here at 7 o'clock in the morning. If you got in off this, you can see you've got all the red dots. You would have gotten out up here. So been a nice move here on the NQ. And then what I like is the open trade. So when we opened up at 9:30, the ticks were over 1,000, which is a great buying opportunity. I like to wait the first 5 minutes, and then once we got the green dot here at 9:45, okay, this was the entry. Had a nice trade all the way up to the wick there. Okay, so you can see there again the wick, and then it came right on back up for us for a nice open trade. Let me just blow that up for you so you can see that. Okay, we also had, again, as I talk about divergence here, okay, we had divergence, we had a high tick count. It doesn't get much better than this, folks. It really doesn't. Okay, and let me bring up the ES as well, show you the E-mini S&P, which is my favorite. That includes a trade, my own personal style. But we had the same situation here when the market opened up. Right here, the ticks were high. We had the Laguerre heading up. Again, I don't trade right at the 9:30 open. I like to wait 5 minutes. So once we had the green dot at 9:35, okay, perfect entry. And as you can see, we hit a new high today, and I'm still in this trade. Okay, we do not have a red dot. So again, if you're interested in this, reach out to me. I do have my pre-launch. I'm in the beginning of the year. I will be putting this out publicly, but I'm giving a half off discount right now. Let me know if you have any questions. Enjoy. Take care now.